In this video, let's see how to extrude the walls. Now, what I've done is I've filled in all the missing wall pieces that we just drew. I think I completed all of those, but I'm not really sure. The next step is to extrude the walls, and it's quite easy by just using the extrude tool, the push pull tool. So I'm going to go and click on push pull, and the height of these walls should be about 11 feet. So I'm going to do just that. I just click and drag and just type in 11 feet and press enter. Now the next thing is I don't have to enter every time. I don't have to enter the number, so I just can double click, and SketchUp has a way to remember the last command. So that's what's happening here. So I'm just double clicking here, and it's extruding all the walls, and I'm just going to go ahead and extrude them as much as possible to complete my walls. So let's see, and as you can see, there are some blue walls, there are some white walls, and ideally what we want to do is we want to have, now this one I made a mistake there, so that's what happened. So let's see, I need to give it 11 feet again. There it goes, perfect. Now ideally what we want to have is all the walls should be white in color. There is a reason, because SketchUp it has two sides of a face has two sides, the back face and the front face. The front face always looks it's white. What we are seeing here, the blue one, is actually the black back face, and we want everything to be on the right side, because sometimes what happens is the materials, when you apply the textures, they go wrong if you have it in the wrong face. So you want all the faces to be facing correctly. So what we can easily do this by right clicking. I'm going to go and select the face, right click and say reverse face. Now it's going to be a lot of work to actually go ahead and do all of these, but say you have a group here. So I'm going to undo this one that I just did. I'm going to reverse face again to make it blue. So when you have a group like this, I'm just going to select all of that and just right click and say reverse face. Now all of those get to be white. So at the end of the day, I want everything to be white. Once I complete the plan, all the walls should be white. So that's about it. And then just fill in the gaps here. On the outside there are some gaps here and here, so we can fill those in as well once we complete the walls. In the next video, let's see how we can add windows and doors into this, bringing them from the warehouse.